Hello and welcome to Skolaris Weekly. I'm your host, Martin Klemser. In the Skolaris Weekly series, I'll be trying to demonstrate some features of Skolaris and hopefully give you some insights about how it works and what advantages it can bring you. In the first episode, I'm going to concentrate on the fairness of the timetable for all the teachers. You all know the situation when you show your completed timetable to teachers and they find out some of them have a much nicer schedule than others. For example, someone might complain that they teach way too many lessons in the afternoon, while a colleague of theirs only teaches a few. So I'm going to show you how to find out how many lessons in the afternoon everyone teaches and what to do about unfair distribution of these afternoon lessons. So what you could do is actually view the timetable for all teachers and then calculate by hand the number of times they teach in the afternoon. But that would be very slow and cumbersome and probably unfeasible if you have more than 20 teachers, as we have in this example. So what you need to do is to somehow define what afternoon is to Skolaris, which we're going to do by using time fields. Time fields are arbitrary collections of slots. So we can define our afternoon simply by saying, okay, this is going to be a time field called PM. And PM is going to include the last 3 lessons of each day. Now we're going to have to define a constraint that says, okay, show me the number of afternoon lessons for all teachers. We're going to do that using the teacher optimization settings for both part-time teachers and full-time teachers. So let's first adjust the part-time teacher settings. We're going to need the advanced section where we can specify the time field limits. And we're going to say that we're going to limit the busy times during the afternoon to 0. When we do that, Skolaris will calculate the number of lessons each teacher teaches in the specified time field, which is the afternoon, and show us the number. Let's change the configuration for full-time teachers as well. Limit busy times in the afternoon to 0. So now, when we go back to the timetable, we can open the fitness breakdown and filter our display of constraints to teacher constraints. Sort this by name. We'll be able to see for each teacher how many afternoon lessons he or she has, sorted by the actual number. So in our example, 3 of the teachers teach 7 lessons, whereas 3 only teach 2. So maybe something should be done about that. But let's leave that maybe for the next episode. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.